Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Wednesday, the 24th. Notes and bonds a little bit higher. Basically, the week has started out with buyers showed up, thanks to China, thanks to basically Chinese government official kind of playing down any stimulus response by their government. Announcement came Sunday night. It's hurt the stocks. Stock indexes have sold off pretty good this week and are still selling off this morning. Obviously, risk off means bidders for government paper. And we've been able to hold in there today, even though the housing start number was actually pretty positive. I mean, our U.S. numbers obviously likely to remain positive. European numbers obviously weak, likely to remain weak, and now the Chinese numbers are weak. But basically, the government official told people are going to have to tough it out. This is definitely note and bond friendly, and one of the reasons why the auctions this week are probably going to go well. There's a 35 billion 5-year T-note auction today, and then Thursday tomorrow brings a $29 billion auction. Again, demand's there. Now, another interesting thing happened on a longer term horizon is there was an article in Barron's that hit about Goldman's research department looking for China to lower the growth target to 7% for 2015. Again, note and bond friendly, not so much so for the stock. So I think the bottom we found last week after a bit of a panicky sell-off, we brought the 30 years all the way down 135.14, is definitely going to hold for a while here. And I'd expect the yields to grind lower. Now, what does the Fed got to say about all this? Different opinions, different speeches. Interestingly, again, bond positive, fundamentally positive, is they see inflation below 2% for the next 4 years. And the same Fed Governor Coacher Lakota is more worried about raising rates too quickly. So, you know, the Dubs got the upper hand here as long as China and Europe are slowing. I can be reached at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Have a great trading day. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.